first video for this special baby. My kitchen partner in crime, the smart cooker that you can trust, the Instant Pot. Yes! The Instant Pot Duo is now available in Singapore, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple Bak Kut Teh for the family. Here's what you need. And it's so easy to make using the Instant Pot. Now you can have fun making awesome meals for your family too. Get yourself and your loved one an Instant Pot this Christmas. Welcome!